Bulgaria Work Visa Guide. Strong demand in IT, construction, and hospitality. Bulgaria continues to hire foreign workers in sectors such as IT, engineering, manufacturing, agriculture, tourism, logistics, and healthcare. Average salary around 1,200 to 1,400 euros per month. The national average gross monthly salary in Bulgaria is approximately BGN 2,300 to 2,600, depending on the sector and region. Higher wages are common in Sofia and in technical fields. Relatively low unemployment rate. Bulgaria maintains a stable labor market with skill shortages in multiple industries. 40 hours per week standard work schedule. Full-time employment in Bulgaria is typically based on a 40-hour working week under national labor law. Minimum 20 paid leave days per year. Employees are entitled to at least 20 days of paid annual leave, with additional public holidays. Minimum wage around 470 to 500 euros per month. Bulgaria has a statutory national minimum wage set by the government, updated periodically. Flat 10% income tax. Bulgaria applies one of the lowest personal income tax rates in the European Union.